Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Tableau with MySQL database. So Tableau is a BI tool that is used for reporting and for creating dashboards. When it comes to MySQL, it is a relational database management system. So first what you need to do is open the Google search bar and type download MySQL ODBC connector. So in order to establish a connection between Tableau and MySQL, you need to have a ODBC connector installed in your system. So I'm going to click this. I will install the latest version, which is as of now 9.4.0. So I will download this file. Click no thanks, just start the download. So the download process has been started. It will take some time to complete. So it is completed. Now I'm going to click the installer file and just follow the steps. Click next. I accept the terms and condition. Click next. Click next. And this is where it will be installed. Click install and click yes. And it is installing at the moment. It has been installed very quick. Click finish. So what you need to do next is check whether MySQL service is up and running. For that, go to the search bar and type services. Make sure it is up and running. Search for MySQL. It is up and running. So I've already installed MySQL in my system. So I'm going to cancel it from here. Now I'm going to search for ODBC data sources 64-bit, and I'm going to go to the system DSN and I will add a new data source and I will search for MySQL ODBC driver, this one which I've just installed. I will click finish, and here I'm going to provide the data source name, which is MySQL underscore 2 Tableau, and then I will set the server. So the server name is going to be localhost. Then I will provide the username. So by default, user will be root. So root is the default user for MySQL. So the password here I'm going to mention is the admin. So admin is the password that I set while installing MySQL in my system. You can have a different password. So whatever password you set while installing MySQL, you just need to provide it over here. What about database? So the database I've created is the project. So this is the name of my database and I will test the connection successful. Now I will open my SQL workbench and let me just open my connection and let me show you the database name. So using this command, I have created the database and I have created an employee table as well. Now what I will do, I will just click OK. OK. My data source has been created. Now is the time to establish connection with Tableau. So over here, I will go to the home page and I will go to connect to data. And then I will go over here, other databases, ODBC. I will select this option. From here, I'm going to select my DSN. So I've created this DSN and I will select connect, click connect, and then I'm going to provide few other details like servers. Name of server is localhost. Database name, I've already told you, project is my database name. User is the root, which is a default user. Password is admin, which I set while installing MySQL in my system. Now I'm going to click sign in and you will see a database, the connection has been established. Look, now I'm going to search the table. So in order to search the table, I will click this search button. Okay, and you will see employee table over here. And now I'm going to open a new sheet and you will see the data over here very soon. Let me just uh, drag it over here. The moment you will drag this over here, you will go to the sheet one, and so the data is showing right over here. Now you are ready to create a dashboard. I hope you have gone through the process of connecting Tableau with MySQL database At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you and have a great learning.